there are multiple cases, Karthik, if there are multiple cases against Jagan Mohan Reddy, and there are questions about really even this particular case, the disproportionate asset case, which dates back to, to 2012, if I'm not wrong. And since then, you've had the CBI ED investigated with serious charges against Jagan Mohan Reddy, which you cannot push aside now. You can't ignore.
So here's the point, Rakshita, that is after 2012, where Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy has fought against Congress government. And we all know, the whole nations know, why suddenly cases came just after 2012. Because he stood alone. He fought against Congress party. And then again, the same henchman who's there from TDP is part of this whole conspiracy.
So you're saying it's a conspiracy by the Congress and then by the BJP. So this has gone on endlessly through different governments.
I'm saying it's by Congress after he's evidently fought against Congress, stood by his own legs, led the party, won with thumping majority. Now, after 2012, suddenly why would cases come in? Because he just fought with the big heads in the country. No, my point is we are mixing executive, legislative, and judiciary. He is obliged to the judicial system of the country and let the courts take due course of action. He's just respecting that whole process, and that is why he's come to the court today and did whatever the things have been asked in the court. Now let's not judge who is right and who is wrong. That is why we have judicial system in the country. Now what TDP does is, even something is being declared, they feel that executive, legislative, and judicial are all one, and then they declare saying that this is something completely against Jagan Mohan Reddy. No, that isn't the case. When ADR report says that 96% of people are actually said to be criminals, I'm not saying that. The ADR report is saying that in the recent past, right? So the point is, let us give us enough time to the judicial process. Let that announce who is right and who is wrong. As simple as that.
You keep referring to the ADR report as well, and previously spoke of also the fact that Chandrababu Naidu is the richest chief minister. But again, I'll highlight here that allegation, and if you're mentioning that data, it needs to be backed also by facts about where the graft is.
And then how the question comes, how would it, 2 acres of a farmland owner own lakhs of crores of rupees today? In our state, the whole people knows. Who's going to answer that question? Where did he begin? Where is he ended up now? The point is, this is all an allegation on Mr. Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy, especially after 2012, because he's fought with the big heads and he's fighting all and respecting the judicial system, and that's why he's walked into the court today.